currently trying to spray paint in here, and I'm getting surrounded by wasps. Zach! Yes! Oh my god, there's like 20 in here! Oh dear lord, they're everywhere. Ah! There's one on my phone! Okay, where's the wasp spray? This'll take him down. Yep. Oh god. It's anime time! Oh god, it's splashing all over the bon. Yes! Ew. I think I got him. Oh! There we go. He's not that wet, is he? Ah! What sucks is I've been spray painting these things by accident, and they got blue wings, and they're mocking me! Well, still, I'm trying not to get the spray paint stuff wet. Ah! Look at him! Bitch! He's got blue wings! Ah! Ah! I'm being assaulted! Oh, it's out of focus! Damn it, where the hell is the other bar? I think I had the other bar right here. No, that's not it. Ha-ha! Yeah, give you little squirts. There we go. Ah. Nature is beautiful, isn't it?